Your network is a direct reflection of your net worth, and here's why. Because the people that are operating at the level you want to be are in higher tax brackets, making bigger moves, and thinking long term. So that means if they grow, you grow. Welcome to episode 3 of the Money Talks mini-series, where today I break down how to maximize your net worth through your network. There's a rule that I live by. It's called the 10-10 forever rule. This rule comes from someone I deeply admire, Sharran Srivatsaa. The thing is you don't need hundreds of contacts. You need 10 strong relationships that you can manage for 10 years plus. Because real wealth doesn't just come from networking events or business cards. It comes from relationships that compounds. And these are the ones that open doors, stretches your mindset, and challenges you to think about the game differently. When I first started chasing success, I thought the game was to outwork everyone else. But everything changed once I started meeting people who were already doing what I was aiming to do. Before my MBA program, I met a franchise owner who scaled to multiple locations. Then later, I met a private equity owner who talked about multi-billion-dollar deals like it was nothing. And then I met a financial advisor who manages over $500 million in assets under management. And a combination of those 3 guys have helped shape who I am today. And it shows me where my net worth is going in the future. And that's when I realized the biggest lessons do not live in a textbook. They live in people who pass down the skills so that you can make your dreams come true. But your network determines how many more doors open right after that. So here's your challenge. Find your 10 and invest in them for 10 years. And then, number 1, audit your circle. Who's helping you grow or who's holding you back? Number 2, be intentional. Seek mentors, peers, and communities that are already doing what you want to do. Number 3, add value first. This is one of the most important lessons. Don't just ask, contribute. This is about sharing knowledge, making introductions, and actually bringing something to the table. And number 4, stay consistent. Relationships compound just like interest. Show up, follow up, and stay connected. Because opportunities don't just appear, they flow through people. And when you master the 10-10 forever rule, your network becomes your wealth. Thanks for watching. Let's lock in. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one.